How do I know which leak detector is right for my application? When deciding which leak detector is right for your application, start by identifying a system that can handle these 3 things: the size and shape of the bottle, quality specifications, and the speed of the production line. As you keep these in mind, factor in bottle handling. How are the bottles presented to the tester? Should the test head move with the bottle, or will an indexing conveyor suffice? Will this platform need to have multiple test heads or require a rotary system to increase the allowed test time? Think about how to minimize changeover time and complexity. Speaking of complexity, we all know good labor is hard to find. Ease of use is essential. Having an intuitive, full-color user interface with the self-guided setups lowers both the total cost of ownership and the frustration on the floor. Consider these factors, and for guaranteed success, now and in the future, partner with a company that manufactures multiple solutions that can be tailored to your applications, and are supported by a service team that is available 24/7.